Here's a pair of the T12 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to parent connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these into pairing mode, okay? So go ahead and take your earbuds out of your case. And then as soon as you take them out, wait a few seconds and then wait and see if you see a green blinking light on one of the earbuds, okay? If you see a green blinking light on one of the earbuds, that indicates that it's in pairing mode. I'm not getting no blinking lights here, and the earbuds did say it was connected. So I'm actually connected to my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So let me go to my Bluetooth settings. Let me turn off Bluetooth here so I can put these into pairing mode. Let me go to connections. I'm going to go to Bluetooth. It says one device connected. Yep, you see the T2 is connected. Let me turn off Bluetooth, okay? As soon as I turn off Bluetooth, now look at the earbuds. What do you know? Now one of the earbuds is blinking green, green, green. So now it's in pairing mode. Now I'm going to quickly go directly to my TV and I'm going to go to settings, okay? Click on the home button on your Samsung remote. And then you can just move over here, move it to the left. And then you want to go down to settings right there. Click that. All settings is highlighted. Click that right there. And then from here, we want to go down to sound right there. Click on OK on the remote. And now sound output is currently coming out of my TV speakers, but we wanted to come out of these earbuds. So let's go with sound output. We're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list. Select that. And then that little thing that's spinning up there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. So let me just go down. These are in the pairing mode. One of the earbuds is blinking green, green, green. So let me see. Oh, there it is right there. T12, and it says it needs pairing. So I'll select that. Pair and connect. And it's connecting, and we are connected, ready to go. And you can see that we're connected. If I go up, these are paired. Up, that one's connected to T12. Anyway, if you guys had any kind of issues putting in pairing mode or connecting problems, you can always factory reset these if you need to do that. Look below for the link in the description area below.